Take note of the direction of the arrow of the tire. All of the other tape is to protect my new finish from being scratches. Okay, nothing worse than having, especially a painted rim, it's got scratches on here. I prefer to keep it clear alloy, that way you're least likely to see the scratches. There are going to be some scratches on there, of course, future, but you're least likely to see it. Right, got the tubing, got the tire on, flipped over. Let's try to see the rim damage, from the wheel spanners. I really don't like wheel spanners. As you know, if you've seen the previous videos, I did I'd like to do some TLC on the rim, and after that I put some masking tape on here to protect it from the wheel spanners. Let's just see if it's done its job. Okay. This might be a little bit tricky to remove the masking tape. Okay. See here, seems to have done its job. So the first time I attempt this, because the rims are in a state, so I didn't really bother too much with putting masking tape on here on the wheel spanners, for instance. Now I'm just gonna have to remove this stuff. I'll put it quickly on pause and remove the masking tape. Yep, it's worked nicely, very nicely. I really can't see any scrapes or nicks from my wheel spanners. At the motorcycle shop they've got the proper machines that actually claw in there and just those machines are cuck expensive. You only buy machines like that if you do wheels every day or you get a bike shop. You can see there, another rim is like a brand new rim. Now I can look after it. So in the future comes, I want to put masking tape on here. Masking tape on there, set 3 layers of masking tape right around, and put masking tape on my wheel spanners, and I will not have those horrible scratches again. I mean, I spent basically like 11 hours on this bloody rim to get like this in this condition. You know what I'm saying? I really can't afford to have it scratched again in the future for unnecessary scratches like that. It's looking good. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.